Welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable the mute option in Asterisk 13. By default, the Vicidial team has disabled the mute option because it can make Asterisk unstable. However, if you still want to enable it, there is a way to do so. First, let's verify that the mute option is currently disabled. I will log in as an agent in this dialer to check if the option is available. As you can see, the mute option is not enabled. It should be visible here, but since it is disabled by default, it does not appear on the agent screen. Now, let me log out. Next, we need to log into the SSH terminal. In this case, I will use WinSCP, but you can use any tool of your choice. Let me copy my server IP. Open WinSCP, enter the server credentials, and submit. Once we are logged in, we need to navigate to this path src www.docs.ag. Now, search for a file named optionexample.php. We need to rename this file to option.php. Once that is done, open the file and look for the setting AST13 volume overwrite. By default, it is set to 0, which means it is disabled. To enable it, change the value to 1, then save the file. Now that the file is saved, let's log into the agent portal once again to verify if the mute option is enabled. As you can see here, the mute option, along with the volume control, is now enabled. If you learned something from this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.